Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the MealPrepPro Planner and Recipes app is and how it's positioned. MealPrepPro Planner and Recipes is a food and drink app that offers personalized weekly meal planning and easy healthy recipes that adapt to your goals, schedule, and food preferences. The app automatically creates grocery shopping lists based on your plan and helps organize meals in advance to save time and reduce food waste. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. This app may be useful for people who want to plan and prep healthy meals with minimal daily cooking effort and automatically generated shopping lists. For users interested in customized nutrition goals, the planner could adjust meal options based on calorie and macro needs, dietary preferences, allergies, and dislikes. MealPrepPro Planner and Recipes may include thousands of easy, balanced recipes to choose from, including options like high-protein, low-carb, vegan, and Mediterranean plans. The Smart Grocery List feature could organize ingredients by aisle for easier in-store or online shopping once your week's meals are selected. Users can potentially sync progress with Apple Health when tracking meals and goals through the app's interface. Subscription access is required after a free trial for full planning and recipe features, and costs vary depending on the plan chosen. This app could be an option for people juggling busy schedules who still want structured meal prep and less decision fatigue around daily dinners and lunches. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.